Big developments on the pandemic front out of the UK, where Monday started off with a big step forward with the rollout of a brand new vaccine. But the sprinting surge of new cases, triggered in part by a new, more contagious variant, is now prompting a swift and strict next-level response. The UK becoming the first country to start giving out shots from Oxford AstraZeneca. At the front of the line, 82-year-old Brian Pinker, a dialysis patient.
The vaccine means everything for me. I mean, to my mind, it's the only way of getting back to a bit of normal life.
The jab that's cheaper and easier to ship than other vaccines was approved in the UK last week. Canada has put in an order for 20 million doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca shot, but is still looking into the data. Health Canada says it cannot provide a definite timeline for the completion of the review at this time. Last month, Britain became the first in the world to use the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine and has since administered more than 1 million shots, more than the rest of Europe combined, according to the National Health Secretary. Early Monday, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson visited a hospital where healthcare workers were among the first to receive the latest vaccine.
There's no question that we're going to have to take tougher measures.
He hinted at tightened rules shortly before Scotland revealed a new lockdown is going into effect at midnight, ordering people to stay at home except for essential reasons for the rest of January.
No exaggeration to say that I am more concerned about the situation we face now than I have been at any time since March last year.
Scotland's First Minister says the new variant accounts for nearly half of new cases in Scotland and is 70% more transmissible. Jumping to Monday evening London time.
Our hospitals are under more pressure from COVID than at any time since the start of the pandemic. The number of deaths is up by 20% over the last week and will sadly rise further.
Johnson announcing new COVID-19 restrictions in a nationwide address.
In England, we must therefore go into a national lockdown which is tough enough to contain this variant. That means the government is once again instructing you to stay at home.
And schools will be closed for in-class learning. Johnson says the lockdown will stretch until at least the middle of February, and the numbers in the UK just skyrocketing. Nearly 59,000 new infections just confirmed Monday. And have a look at the country's curve. It is on a steep climb upwards. This is the 7th day in a row the daily number of cases has topped 50,000. Melissa Duggan, City News.